Open your science learner's book and get ready. Today in science, we are going to start our lesson 1.2. So see in your science learner's book, page number 8. Open page number 8 of your learner's book. So after you have opened your book, write the page number, the date, sorry. Write date on the top of your page, okay? So our topic is, our unit is going outside. Our lesson is, can we care for our environment? It's on page number 8 and 9. In this lesson, we are going to talk about how we care for our environment, how we can look after our environment. How can we care or how can we look after our environment? So in this lesson, we are going to learn 3 words: litter, protect, and savage. So here are the 3 new vocabulary words that you are going to memorize. And for further explaining these these vocabulary words, I'm going to show you these words with the pictures so that you can understand more clearly. First of all, the word we have, litter. Look, this is called litter. What is this? Litter. When people don't care about their environment, what they do? They throw the garbage on the street. They do not use the bin carefully. You can see the litters. They are spreading outside of the dustbin. There are some water bottles, glass bottles, paper cups, paper. All of these are litter. In other words, we say it garbage. When we do not take care of our environment and we throw our litter outside, so what happens? It makes up our environment dirty. It makes our environment dirty. Okay, moving on to the next word. Next word is savage. Savage means a dirty water is coming from the cities and nobody cares for them. To repair these pipes, look, these waters are coming from cities and these are flowing on the lands from where the mosquitoes and other dirty things are being developed and they are coming back to ourselves. So we have to repair our sewage system. We have to see where our dirty water is going and to what extent it is going to harm our crops or our lands. So we have to take care of our sewage. Clean and dirty environment. You can see here we have clean environment, 2 pictures of different environments. See the first picture carefully, boys. It is very clean environment in which there is no garbage. Where there is no garbage, there are trees, there are lots of trees, there are fruits on the trees, there are dustbins, and there is no litter, there is no garbage. So If we keep clean, our environment is going to be clean. Coming back to the second picture, you can see here the environment is very dirty. Look, here is litter everywhere. So if we do not take care of our environment, it is going to be dirty. So our environment based on air, animals, plants. If we grow a lot of plants, our environment is going to be healthy. It is going to be healthy. So here are two different kinds of cities. So we have clean in city and dirty in city. How do we protect our environment? Coming to activity 1.2, page number 9 of your books. You can go outside and look around and look after your environment. It is whether it is clean or dirty. So look at this place. This place is dirty. People eat in the park and they throw their litter or trash on the ground. So what do you think, boys? How can we make our environment clean? See, here's if you can see the arrow, it is dirty. Now look at this picture. You can see the environment that they are cutting the trees. The sewage system is open. The dirty water is open and it is entering with clean water. In its result, fish is going to die. The girl is picking wild flowers and see the smoke coming out of factories, and the man is throwing the litter on the ground. So what should you do to make your sewage clean? They are cutting the trees, picking up flowers, throwing trash, open sewage system. Smoke is coming out from the factories. So these things will make our environment Now look at this environment. What do you think, boys? What should we do to make our environment clean? So we have to pick our trash and we should use recycle bins, dustbins and bags, and grow more and more plants. We should grow more and more plants. Water the plants, take care of the clean water. There should be a good sewage system. So the good and the bad water should not be mixed. So the river is clean. So you can do these things to make your environment clean. Use recycle bins to recycle things. There are different kinds of recycle bins. Paper recycle bin in which you can throw your old papers. Papers you don't want, you can put them in your paper recycle bin. So you should use your recycle bin to make them new again, okay? Then we have plastic recycle bin. If you finish with plastic bottles, you should not throw them. You should put them in the plastic recycle bin so that they will make it new without wasting the material. Glass. So the last glass recycle bin. So you should put the glass bottles inside the glass recycle bin so that it will help you with your cleaning. Okay, boys? So that's all for today's lecture.